Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find home screen and style. So here we've got this section with the lock screen style and the wallpaper. As you can see, it will immediately appear here, or you can swipe to change the from the wallpaper to the lock screen. And now you can simply tap on it or tap on select wallpaper. The difference is that after tapping right here, it will be transferred to the section where you can change the wallpaper but also the themes. So here you can tap on it and find 3 pre-installed themes from which you can choose. You've got Mars, Seek and the TI. So along with the theme you will change the wallpaper. Here you can also change it manually, so just tap on this photo section, tap on this again, and here you can change from the pre-installed options which are corresponding with the pre-installed themes. You can also choose something from the gallery, your own photos, or you can tap on more and you will enter the themes section where you can choose the online wallpapers. Here you've got free options, so you do not have to pay for them. However, beware, because to download them you will have to log in into the accounts. So let me choose maybe this one without changing the theme. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home screen. Let me. Okay. So to finish everything, to confirm everything, simply tap on Done in the right upper corner. Now we have to simply wait until the wallpaper will be set. Let's go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.